There's no squirt.
It's a good size one.
You gotta get it in the boat first.
Oh, I need that net. Okay.
No, pay attention. Good.
All right.
Good size.
All right.
It might be close to 14.
Might be. I'll find out here in a little bit. All right.
Got one, Mike?
There you go, Mike.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Good.
Ooh, yeah.
All right. Come on. Here we go. Here's another one. Ooh, nice.
Another one that's nice one. Ooh, that's a nice one there, Bill.
There we go. Oh yeah. Woo. Measure it.
Flip off of it a little bit. Huh?
About 12 and a half. Not bad. Another keeper. Oh yeah. Not as big. That one we throw back in. Too small.
Tying up. Yeah, you're right. Get that full spot like that there like this. You're all probably. Once you get that one in, Mike, and then
Ooh, that's a good one.
live one. There.
Oh yeah. Go on, go on.
You don't want to come in.
There we go. All right. Yeah. Woohoo! He got a big one. Oh yeah.
When you get a chance, flip that live up for me there, Mike. I'll toss mine in. Oh shit! Gosh dang it! Now we got issues. That's the first one I've missed all trip.
Assisted.
I jumped in the boat.
Come on,
Jumper.
come on.
Jump again.
Jump, come on. Oh yeah, come on.
That's not a half bad one either.
That's nice.
Solid fish.
Yeah.
He's got some shoulders to him. How you boys doing?
Yeah, me too. Here we go. There we go. A little one. Oh yeah. Here we go. Let it go. Too small. I got one under a boat. There we go.
Mike, I'll reach down and get it.
I got it.
Hey, that's not bad.
Done yet.
Still fighting it. Got one. There we go. Feel like a little one. A little big one. Yep. There we go. A little one. Little guy.
All of our boats are right here.
There she go. There we go. Oh, missed it. All right. There we go. Oh, there we go. There's a little one. There we go. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got it. No. A couple of days ago we were fishing off that where those guys are, and you see all those rocks. A couple of days ago the water's all the way up over those rocks. You couldn't see those rocks where they're at. Now you see how low the water is in 2 days, but a couple of days ago you couldn't see those. Oh, I gotta reel it in. We gotta get back up there, get out of this. This is White River. This is White River up here. Down there is Buffalo River. So you go down there, Buffalo River, connected, and this is White River. Yeah, not too big. Got a fish, got a fish. Ooh, nice. Oh wow, that's a big one. Woohoo! There's a big one. Woohoo! Let's see how big this one is. 15, baby. Woohoo! Oh, you still beat me by half an inch.
Drag on this all day with, you know, chasing down. Oh, you got one, Mike? Oh. Yeah, that. I ain't keeping that one.
No, it's a little. That's a small one.
That's. Yesterday that was about the size of some of the ones we were putting in the pot.
Ooh, I might be getting one right. Oh, come on, take it, take it. Got him. Yeah. Yeah, little one. Woohoo! Come on, calm down. There you go. Just a little guy. There you go. Out you go. There we go. They're swimming off. Perfect timing. Woo! There we go, another fish. A little one. Not bad. Let this one go. Too small. There we go. And he got another one. Oh, wow. Woo. Hello everyone, this is Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. If you like this channel, hit like, subscribe, and thumbs up. I have a lot of adventures for you. Yeehaw! Yahoo! Oh yeah! Woo! Catch you on the other side of the adventures. Oh my.